Superhero Mystery Box Game. Calling all superheroes. Keep the mystery box. Or throw it at your enemy. Hi, this is Neil of Team Teacher, teaching, living and raising a family in China. Today we're looking at the Superhero Mystery Box PPT bomb game. Let's check it out. Superhero Mystery Box PowerPoint game is made by KBrook8 of the Waygroup forum, and we'll put a link in the comment section below the video for you to get your free downloadable PPT copy of the game. The home screen is a selection of text clouds, and you have to choose one of the letters to go to a question. If they answer the question correctly, you can then go to a box screen. Now, inside the box, you don't know if it's good or bad. And the caveat here is the students have to choose whether they want to keep and open the box or give it to another team. This time here, for example, it's plus points, but on a different question, it could be minus points. They never know. To go back to the main screen, click on the rocket in the bottom right-hand corner. Well, I hope you liked our quick PPT walkthrough of the mystery box game. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel and check out the links below to get your free copy of the game. Bye bye.